Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Canva template in just a few minutes. So let's start. First of all, you're going to open up Canva template and search for quarter circle in the elements. And then we're going to put these two circle quarters into our template and then decrease in size. We're going to put them in exactly this position and duplicate them using Ctrl plus D and rotate the two duplicated of these quarters. Next, what we're going to do is select one of them, go to uploads and upload your images, whatever the images you want to use in each one of these quarters, and then put the images by dragging them, or first drag and then put them into your images. So let's go for frame. Now we're going to go to duplicate and we're going to duplicate this template about 6 times. And for the second template, we're gonna do this, and for the third, we're gonna put the quarters away according to the template number. So this is how we have made everything. And we're gonna add a text box in which we're gonna type our title for each of the template. Type your text, and the next thing we're gonna do is like add a text or the headers, and then put them in each of your template at different places. After putting the text, we're going to click on add transition button. Between the transitions, click on match and move and apply it to all. So let's apply it to all of our templates. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.